Hey guys, I'm Ernest with UpFix, and today we're going to be showing you how to remove a multifunction display 2004 to 2009 for a Toyota Prius. Okay, so to remove this multifunction display on the center dash, we're going to start on the bottom left-hand side, removing trim pieces, and then working our way up towards the center. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is remove this driver's side vent on the left side. You're going to put your trim remover, plastic trim remover inside here. You can also use a flathead screwdriver and put something here to make sure you don't mess up the cosmetics. And I'm going to pry on it towards myself here, and then put my fingers in the back and pry it out like that. And this vent detaches here, so you're going to want to put it back in here like so, and it'll just pop into place. When you remove it, make sure you have these 4 tabs here, so when you're putting it back in, they go into these 4 grooves perfectly. So after removing the driver's side left vent piece, go ahead and remove these 2 screws right here and right here. And once you have these 2 screws removed, this thing will just pop out. So I'm going to start here and pry it out like this, so. And you're going to see these tabs here. Just keep working. And do the other side as well. And I'm using my hand here on the bottom to push towards me, like so. And there's no need to remove this plug here, just leave it hanging like this. Proceed to remove this top trim piece right here behind the steering wheel. And I'm pulling up on it and doing the same thing over here. And over here, disconnect this cable right here. Remove this driver's side vent piece right to the left of the multifunction display, and I'm going to be pulling it towards myself. Go ahead and remove this plug right behind this parking button, like so, pressing this tab and pulling it out. To remove this last vent piece right here, on the passenger side, right to the right side of the multifunction display, go ahead and press these 2 buttons to open up the 2 glove compartments. Put your plastic trim remover here, right in the back of this vent piece, and pull towards yourself. Put the plastic trim remover here, like so, and on the top side as well, and just pull it right out. I'm going to go ahead and remove this multifunction display after the 2 side 10mm bolts are removed. Put your hands right here. I'm using my middle and ring fingers. Get a good grip and pull towards yourself like so, and just pry it out of there. And that's it. The final step to removing the multifunction display is to remove these plugs. Depending on what version you have, you might have more or less plugs than this, but it's a fairly simple procedure. Just go ahead and press on this little tab, pull it out. There's some over here. Be careful not to scratch anything up. The tab's here on the bottom, like so. And then there's this one here on the bottom. Press that, and it's all done. So after you move your part, carefully pack it and ship it to us at UpFix. Our UpFix repair technicians will repair it and keep you updated every step of the way.